Hey folks, I got something that I'm really excited to bring to you guys. I'm launching a brand new hot sauce line called Butthurt Brand Hot Sauce. The cool thing is that every other month I'm going to be rotating between donating the proceeds to autism charities or Second Amendment rights organizations. There's a lot of our kids out there on the autism spectrum that are being overlooked in society and in general. And what I want to do is send some help towards that. My son has special needs, and I want to make sure that most of these kids and these families and these parents out there realize that there is somebody else out there that understands what they're going through. On the other hand, you guys know where I stand with the Second Amendment. So every other month I will rotate between an autism charity and a gun rights organization, and we were going to donate the proceeds of the Butthurt Brand Hot Sauce to that. Why is it called Butthurt Brand? Well, partially because it's a sarcastic look at people who get offended way too easily. This is a message from me just saying, don't sweat this petty stuff. Worry about the real things that matter in life. If you're interested, simply go to the butthurtbrand.com website. And if you're in the Lake Charles or Southwest Louisiana area, go by Planet Pools at 1750 West Prairie and Lake Road.